Most saunas are entirely forgettable, but every once in a while, a sauna model comes out that completely changes expectations of what infrared can actually do. Whether it's insane heat, better build quality, or enhanced user experience, these are the sauna brands and models that actually changed history. Every sauna on this list is something that I've personally tested myself, not just something based on marketing claims and things that you see on social media. And number one is a sauna brand that you've never even heard of before. Number 10 spot, not because it belongs in the number 10 spot necessarily, but back in 2017, yours truly used a Sunlight and Impulse at a float tank spa on behalf of my functional medicine doctor saying, Matt, you need to be in a sauna like yesterday. I didn't believe in it. They tried to sell me a $6,500 one. I was like, absolutely not. This is crap. Take your saunas and shove them up. I would go to a float tank place in Baldwin Park, Florida, and rent a Sunlight and Impulse. I knew nothing about infrared, but I tell you what, even though the staff there didn't turn it on right and it took forever to heat up, I was sweating in about 25 to 30 minutes, and I got relief from brain fog. And this opened my foray into infrared saunas. So that has to be number 10. It was way back when and my first exposure, and Sunlight has probably been one of the most influential brands in the history of infrared saunas. Not because I like them, I never used to like them, but because they were influential in moving the market forward and bringing infrared technology to our homes. Going down. Number 9 has to be the DIY sauna. I don't know if you guys have ever seen pictures of this, but I wouldn't buy an infrared sauna because all the salespeople were giving me these copy and paste emails and saying, Matt, you got to buy this $5,000 or $10,000 thing, and I wouldn't do it. This was 2017 and a half, almost 2018. I was building a DIY sauna on a dowel rod pole to use in a shower conversion on a garage floor just like this. Because of the impact that that had on my life and the frustration building it and trying to get it to work and disproving everything that everyone was saying on the internet, that has to be number 9, most influential. Number 8 has to be Sunstream. This was my first exposure to a sauna that had advanced heater layout that started focusing on surrounding the heat with the body. Now, unfortunately, back in 2018, I no longer would continue to use Sunstream because it turned out they had EMF issues. This was the first time I hired a building biologist to come and check out my home and make sure that it was safe for my family and I. I was having other health conditions. They went in my sauna room and they said, Matt, you really need to get rid of this thing. And I was like, oh man, I really like it. I had made videos, everything was great. Ultimately, I got something else. I think over the years, they've improved them since then, but I never went back. Which leads me to number 7. TheraSauna has to be number 7. Of all the talk on the internet of heater layout, emissivity, type of heaters. Oh, you gotta have a ceramic heater. No, carbon is better. Oh, the blended hybrid heaters where it's a combination of both is better. All nonsense. But I would try a TheraSauna, which has a concave ceramic heater design, which is very unique, and I love the way that they feel. Problem was, the heater layout was not sufficient. No side coverage, no spine coverage, no floor coverage, no front wall coverage. It was super hot on the back and cold on the front. Created all types of humidity issues, and unless you wanted to spin around on a rotisserie, didn't work very well. But at the time, it was revolutionary and had great impact on the industry. Bonus 7.5, we gotta toss in an extra, would be the Sauna Space. Now, I had trouble with Sauna Space from a price standpoint from the very beginning. It used to be $3,500 for 4 heat lamp bulbs, some dowel rods, and a cotton tent that you stretch over the top, and you still have to crouch down and, you guessed it, spin around to get a normal sauna session. Nowadays, those are $6,000, so we don't even touch them with a 10-foot pole. However, I believe the founder of Sauna Space has done a great service perpetuating Dr. Wilson's work. Many people get great benefit using the DIY sauna, and some people love a Sauna Space sauna. It turns out I'm just a larger person. I don't like to crouch down, and I don't like spinning like a rotisserie, so I stick to wooden saunas that are large that you fit inside with a glass door, speakers, and or a little bit less money. Number 6 has to be the Relax sauna. I have tested a gazillion portable saunas. We've tried the tents. We've tried the thing that looks like camping tents that you sit in. They're little poppy ups and you sit in there on a stool. Got wood burning versions of those. The industry's changed so much. But Relax is the only one that put heat generators under your feet and made a reflective tent for almost 0 preheat time and a portable sauna that truly gets to temperature and will give you a true sauna session. A little pricey, but great performance. For that reason, they have to be at number 6. Definitely revolutionized the portable sauna industry when everyone is just making cheap $200, tiny tents that you sweat all over. Relax kills it. Number 5 is another portable, but this one completely changed the game on portability and usability. It has to be the Sauna Dome. Used in research in California in depression studies, there is a hybrid concept now available in the courtesy of anyone's home for about $1,000. You can check out the One Love review on the channel for the long-winded version. The short version is folds up inside a closet, lie down, head out, full body coverage. Those that cannot sit and can only lie down, this is revolutionary for them. Coming in at number 4, this is when things really start to pick up. Clearlight, as featured in Hippocrates Institute, which is a place that I used to follow, cancer healing diets and all types of things, developed a full spectrum, low EMF sauna many years ago, and something that was actually aesthetically pleasing that claustrophobic people could get in and out of. This changed the industry standard of thinking that you just had to be in a wooden box with a tiny little window and that was your only, view out to the world. Not only worried about form and function, but also having something that's aesthetically pleasing and appealing to the eye. Bonus. Number 4.5, it's got to be the Life Pro. Finally, a company listened to heater layout, paid attention to Japanese Wei-on therapy, which we've been talking about for many years, where they use infrared for cardiovascular patients. Problem was, all the cheap Costco saunas and Amazon and Sam's Club had a bad heater layout. They were missing things like floor heaters, sidewall heaters. They just had poor coverage. Once and for all, a company, Life Pro, came out with an affordable model. Wasn't perfect, build quality suffered some, but it gave you the right heater layout to get the benefits for a decent price under $2,000. This has to be one of the most revolutionary things that's happened in the industry within a price category. So from $0 to $2,000, usually you were just getting crap. Now with the Life Pro, you can get something that actually works. For number 3, this is where things really started to shake up the industry. For starters, Heavenly Heat came out with the Eco Mini Sauna, a sauna that you can truly put anywhere. We put it in a closet. We put it underneath a stairwell. It's plug and play on a regular outlet, meaning if you can run a vacuum cleaner in your house, you can run this sauna with no electrician required. This was revolutionary because now a sauna projected to achieve a 200-degree temperature range that was not traditional and only infrared and didn't need an electrician had never been seen before. And so for that reason, I had to put it in the number 3 spot. And over the last 2 years, this sauna itself has been transforming the lives across America. Radiant Health has to be number 2. It is one of my favorite saunas ever since 2019, repeatedly used in multiple states, multiple models. Friends and family own them, parents own them. This has been one of the game changer saunas in my repertoire along my healing journey. Excellent build quality, one of the best heater layouts in the entire industry. Floor heaters, concealed heater underneath the bench, now insulated in the Pause models, remote smartphone controller app. And now you can add red light therapy to your liking. From heater coverage to build quality to customer service to the ordering experience, this is the best in the business. And now for number 1, one of the most revolutionary saunas that we've ever tested, and you've never seen it. The new Rocky Mountain Sauna. Come check it out with me. This really is the pinnacle of everything that I listed in our criteria coming into one sauna. Starting with instant on heat, still plugs into a regular outlet, but if you're in a cold space or an unheated basement or a garage gym, this sauna is perfect for you. There is no preheat with this type of heater. On top of that, you have floor heaters, bench heaters, sidewall heaters, and enough torso coverage to make you feel like you're stuck in a Florida garage, even in Maine. This is one of the newest and coolest saunas that I've reviewed recently, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. I think you're going to be incredibly pleased. From the aesthetics to the design, the two-tone black on wood is just absolutely phenomenal. It's one of my favorite looks and at no compromise to the heater layout. And the 2 best parts are the temperature range and the price. Number 1 goes up to 175 degrees. I don't need it much over 150. This thing absolutely cranks. And number 2, the best thing is what you get for the money. For a limited time only, under $5,000 with code JUSTICE, just like all the other brands. Amazing value, amazing performance. I think you're really gonna love it. Oh, and if you think I missed anything, tell me down in the comments. We're gonna make a part 2 of this. We'll include it there.